Hello and welcome to Towards a Better India. In this video, I want to raise the issue of specifically product development in the context of the information technology industry in India, which I feel is still very nascent. We as an IT industry, as an IT, as a country which has such a strong IT enabled services sector, so many professionals who are in this industry, there are so many companies which are operating in this space. I still feel that when it specifically comes to product development, surprisingly, we are still not quite there. And that's what I feel, it's a combination of technical prowess versus entrepreneurial risks, challenges which you need to take in life. I think a lot of the companies in India are still not taking that risk. As an instance, Microsoft has its Windows, which powers probably 95% of the world's computers. You have an Office which most of the world uses as for word processing, spreadsheet, PowerPoints, etc. You have Google, which has so many different online products. You have a Facebook, which pretty much most of the world today uses for social networking. So that's exactly what I'm talking about, that we are still to get to that level wherein from being a back-end kind of an oriented country where we are mostly servicing other clients and ensuring that their needs are fulfilled, I think we need to take that leap to the next level wherein we focus on product development, and I think it'll be a huge achievement for India. Imagine a product of the scale of Windows, which is used by the world, comes from India. If it were to be like that, say I don't know, an operating system or a browser or another social networking platform or anything which is so widely used, but if it completely originates, and not just Indian engineers have worked on it and they've done the coding for it, that's fine. That is no doubt that is happening. Take any of the big tech companies, you'll invariably find that there are Indian engineers there are Indian product developers, designers, those who kind of, they're enablers, I would say. But from scratch, if you're able to develop a certain product which is used globally, I think that's where the clout of the Indian technological space will increase so much. And again, I'm not saying that this is something which has not happened at all, but when you think of top of the line products which are used globally, I think we are still not quite there, and that's where I think there's a lot of scope. So that's something which I wanted to raise in this video. Cheers.